It's your partner, Big Boy. Angelinos, are you ready? Do you know what day it is? Yes, it's draft day. That's right, the Rams draft day. Who are the Rams gonna pick? We shall find out. Y'all continue to hang out with us in the neighborhood, Big Boy's neighborhood.
No stopping all the dogs I'm dropping. It's Friday night, so everything is popping. I got skin this man on the hand, so let the games begin.
Whose house?
Ram's house, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. I know you don't want to stay cooped up in the crib all day. I know this. So I'm gonna take you to Draft House today. Cause it's Thursday, the Rams got a first round pick, and we ain't got shit to do.
I like that. I like that.
Oh, shit. I'm Terry, man.
Who's he with?
I don't know, but hide your stuff.
What's up, little Smokey? Craig Jr. I brought my dogs with me.
Hello, dogs.
What you got for us?
Yo, what you got for us, punk?
None.
You know, I used to play with the Rams. Drafted in '91. 11th round.
We know.
Man, can you just give me my ring back?
What ring? You know what? I'm ready to go right now, bless cause. What, Terry still got it? Huh?
Damn! I can hear that. Every time, Terry.
Yeah, that's right. We out.
Why do they hang out?
Why? That's why. Oh, we need to go. Come on, man.
I don't know why y'all tripping on that draft so much.
Who you think we picking, YG?
Man, F them picks. I ain't gonna tell you young street punks again, stay off my grass.
YG, chill.
Why you always hating?
He in my driveway.
Yo, what up, Big
Yo.
Dot? You think they gonna draft enough Big Boy to help you out in them trenches?
Man, playing with these picks like playing my emotions.
You got it, man. Go ahead. Man, this Thursday's gonna make our whole season. And you know this, man?
Don't sleep on Friday, though.
You know it ain't no stopping all the dogs I'm dropping. It's Friday night, so everything is